Hey guys, we're out here on Yucaipa Boulevard at 5th Street. The fire department here. Sheriff is back over here. Well, the sheriff's car's here. The police are down here working on the victim. Sheriff, fire department are here. And you look down, here's our pedestrian right here. So here in Yucaipa, California, Yucaipa Boulevard at 5th Street, the call went out as vehicle versus bicyclist. The bicyclist is on the sidewalk being assisted at this time by the police and the fire department. See if the police come up here. No, they're gonna stay right there. But they're talking to him right now. So right now they're working on the person that was hit. So the police call went out as vehicle versus bicycle. And right here you see the bicyclist down being worked on by the police and the fire department. Someone had mentioned it might possibly have been a black vehicle, which is actually parked up here in the parking lot next to me. So right now, vehicle versus bicyclist, and the fact that they're carrying the bicycle could be an indication that the bicyclist may go ambulatory once the ambulance gets here. But at this time, all we know is it's a vehicle versus bicyclist. That's all we know at this time. So I'm trying to see if that looks like damage right there. This is the truck that the sheriffs were just looking at. Possibly the vehicle that was struck by the bicycle. It looks like maybe the bicycle ran into the truck. That's just a theory because of damage to the back taillight there. Bicycle's been loaded into the sheriff's vehicle. They actually put the bicycle in their car. I didn't get that because I was getting the ambulance approaching. But we have them here. And then of course down here, the ambulance has loaded the bicyclist, or is in the process now of loading the bicyclist, and will take him probably to the hospital. And again, his bicycle's here. And the vehicle in question is here.